One idea can light, power, and connect the way for many, igniting years of innovation and adaptation for Leviton that all began in 1906 with a single gas mantle tip. As industries have evolved, Leviton has been with you every step of the way. Together, we make it happen by addressing hot topics, anticipating changing market dynamics, and meeting stringent industry regulations. Rising to the challenge, our team has grown to include a global reach so we can support you no matter where you are. At Leviton, our people define our culture. Our successful partnerships are built on the core values of commitment, ingenuity, safety, and quality. As your business grows, we continually invest in our manufacturing capabilities, engineering resources, and sustainability goals to produce what you have asked for, now and into the future. We listen, collaborate, and participate with industry stakeholders, then manufacture innovative controls, lighting, electrical, and network solutions that meet the changing needs of the built environment. The result? Each product we bring to market is designed to seamlessly integrate into daily life. At Leviton, with you, we make it happen.